Are you tired of using the same old flours for your low-carb recipes? Try this chicken flour made from fresh chicken breasts. So basically you processed your own chicken into flour in your own home. This is the ultimate protein-packed zero-carb alternative for those who are on carnivore keto diet. I'm really excited to show you step by step this process. So once you've cleaned out your chicken, the next step is to dry. You need to make sure it's dried out. These are quite large chunks of chicken breast, so it cooks quicker. I'm just slicing them in the middle. I'm going to cook these inside an air fryer. Apparently you actually could use a microwave. Just a quick note, I am trying this recipe for the first time. I've never done it before. So you're going to place this in your air fryer at 170 degrees centigrade for 20 minutes. So this is how it looks like after 20 minutes. The goal is to cook it in your air fryer until you do not see any water. So I'm checking to see if there's still any water left. And as you can see, we still have some water left in it. That means we can cook it a little bit more in your air fryer, of course. So what I had done is I had reduced my heat to 160 and I cooked it for another half an hour. Chop into tiny pieces, leave it to cool down, and then you get out your food processor and you process this. Literally just blend it away, really. So once that's done, everything else is pretty easy, really. The whole process is actually easy, but it may be time consuming. So do this when you really don't have much to do. Now add to your air fryer trays, and you of course need to line your trays with a parchment paper. So that's what I'm doing. My air fryer has 3 trays, which is good. So you're going to air fry this at 175 degrees centigrade for 10 minutes. I have 3 trays, so what I would be doing is rotating the 3 trays as well as keeping an eye on it and mixing. You know, you have to turn it over every 5 to 10 minutes. And that's what I tend to do. The total time it actually took me to go through these 3 trays was about 30 minutes. But I had to keep an eye on it so it doesn't dry out too much. And here it is after 30 minutes. If you have a good look, and even just the feel of it, it looks dry. It looks like dry biscuits that had been blended away. Now the final step is actually to now blend it. I'm using my magic bullet because we need a finer blend. But this time to get more of a finer, dry texture. Look at that. I have finally made what we call chicken flour at home. I am proud of myself. Woohoo! Okay, so I'm going to weigh this. I am curious as in how much would 1 kg of fresh chicken breast give you once it's been processed. Let's see. What do you think 1 kg of fresh chicken breast will give you in powder? Here we go. I'm almost there. So 1 kg of fresh chicken breast gave me 118 kg of chicken flour. So the price for 1 kg of chicken breast is £6. Do you know how much the cost for normal chicken powder is pretty expensive, and I do not know why. I bought one from Amazon. I got chicken breast flour from Amazon. It's 250 grams and it cost me £20. Please like and subscribe. So that's what I'm intending to do, and I would be sharing more recipes with you on chicken breast flour.